Hey, what's up guys? I finally did it. Finally installed the Pottery barn curtains. As you can see here, let me zoom in. Check out this material, guys. This is from this is the Seton textured cotton curtain, and it's color white. So as you can see, the hardware up there is installed. It's the antique bronze color. So the type of install that I have here is called the tailored look. So the tailored look is to where the curtain's up about a ½ an inch to an inch off the ground. And of course, the reason why I chose that way is because, you know, this is a frequently used window, and I didn't want the curtains to be dragging against the floor. So you can choose another way to have these installed, which is the dramatic way, to where the curtains droop down about 2 to 4 inches and it hits the ground. So I have one key tip for you guys. As you can see, the hardest part about this project is making sure your holes up on top are precise and straight, right? But if you choose the dramatic way, your measurements could be slightly off. It won't matter because the curtains are drooping down. But if you choose this install tailor look, your holes for your hardware all across have to be almost perfect. Well, perfect. And how do you do that, right? So measure from the frame to your holes, and also measure from the ceiling down to double check. Does that make sense? But what will happen is, if your measurements are slightly off, one curtain will be elevated higher than the other, and when you put them together, it ain't gonna look too good, right? So that's one tip I got for you. Also, a lot of people, they like to tug on their curtains, right? Yes, these are sliding rings for your curtains, but also what you want to do is, you know, when you're closing curtains, you just use your arm to where the left hand and right hand side of the curtains, they go together, and then when it goes halfway, then you can kind of tug on it, because it creates less stress on the hardware up there. But yeah guys, I got a bunch of tips for you guys. So if you continue to follow this channel, I have these plantation shutters. I'm going to create a video on how to install your own plantation shutters. And I'm also going to create a video on why not to install your own plantation shutters. So continue to watch the videos, and I'm sure you guys are going to like what you guys hear and see. And hopefully I can help you guys out. All right, guys. Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to install Pottery barn curtains on your windows here. Today we're going to post these curtains in the nook area, and these are the curtains that we purchased. Also, I'm going to show you on what materials are needed to install these curtains. So as you can see here, I have a drill with a drill bit. It doesn't have to be that long, it could be shorter if you like. You got a screwdriver, and that's basically all you need. When you purchase from Pottery Barn, they give you all the hardware needed to hang your curtains. As you can see here, it's a very simple install. Obviously you're going to need measuring tape, but as you can see here, the curtains are pretty inexpensive. As you can see here, I got one open box for $55.99. Down here, another one, 50 by 108 for $149. But where they get you is the hardware, and the total was $458. What I like about this hardware is very simple to install, and it's very high quality. It's real metal, it's not plasticky, and it's gonna last a long time. So as you can see here, this is a sliding window to the nook area. So Pottery Barn states, so as you got this border here, you should go out 3 inches from the edge. But since this is a window that's used a lot, we want to be able to move the curtains all the way to the end of the border, just so people's dirty paws don't touch the curtains, if that makes sense. So I want it to be symmetrical. So from this edge here to this edge is 19 inches. So I'm gonna cut it in half and do 9.5 inches up. As you can see, I already put one up there. It's very simple to install. So I'm gonna go on the other end, on this side, and go 9.5 inches this way, and then I'm gonna post up there. So one thing to remember is how the length of the curtain is 108 inches. So we're going for the tailored look. So tailored look says you should go up maybe like 1/4 inch from the ground up. If you want more of a dramatic look to it, you want them to drape down to the ground, maybe 2 to 4 inches down to the ground. So I'm going to show you how to install this hardware. Very simple. Once you get that hardware up, it should be self-explanatory. So stay tuned and look out for the instructions. So the first step is to have your pen and your measuring tape on hand. So we're going to get started. is going to go all the way towards the center of that window border